Bitcoin is back in the news once again, especially after its recent rise in the cryptocurrency market. After falling below $18,000, there was anticipation that Bitcoin prices may drop further. Since then, however, it has maintained its strength and even initiated a significant comeback to $21,500. One of the worst things about the current state of the crypto market is that assets are very volatile. Bitcoin has experienced waves of volatility over the past few months. The market has fluctuated as a result of crypto retail failures, with Terra, 3AC, and Celsius leading the push. As we approach July, however, the most recent data suggests a robust recovery is imminent. Hello and welcome to Smart Tech Ideas. In today's video, we discuss why Bitcoin's move over the $20,000 mark could initiate a slow yet meaningful recovery, why institutional traders dumped Bitcoin at a record pace last week, and whether it's the right time to hold or sell Bitcoin. Make sure to stick around till the end of this video, where we will update you about Bitcoin's future price target and where it is headed next. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notifications. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. Bitcoin is currently trading at a price of approximately $20,400 with no significant fluctuations over the past day. After the latest crypto winter, it has shown a bullish trend over the past week with a 16.4% increase. There have been some interesting changes in Bitcoin data that make it hard to predict what will happen to Bitcoin in the near future. First, Bitcoin's exchange supply has decreased to 2018 levels. According to Glassnode data, the Bitcoin supply on centralized exchanges surpassed 2.4 million in March 2018 and has never fallen below this level. Since the Celsius and Babel statements on June 13, however, there has been a significant surge in foreign exchange outflows. In their individual announcements, these exchanges also opted to halt user withdrawals. In the past, outflows of money from exchanges and low supply on exchanges have been good signs for Bitcoin. A tweet from Glassnode says that the number of addresses with 10K or more Bitcoin just hit 100. This is another sign that suggests a lot of people are buying. But investors in the market are getting mixed messages. In the past day, the number of Bitcoin trades has dropped by 27%. This could change the price of Bitcoin in the near future. Miners selling their holdings is another thing that worries me. A report from CoinShares shows that Bitcoin investment products saw record outflows of $453 million in 1 week. The price of Bitcoin that weekend of $17,760 was likely due to these outflows. Even though all digital asset investment products lost a record high $423 million in 1 week, most of the money went out of Bitcoin. Since records have been kept, this is the most money that has ever left the country. In January of this year, it was worth $198 million, which was the previous high. The outflows were worth 1.3% of assets under management, which is the third highest AUM outflow ever. The CoinShares report shows that almost all of the outflows came from Canadian exchanges and one provider in particular. Even though Provision Investments in Canada had record high outflows, most other providers and countries saw investments come in. Digital asset investment products came into the United States every week to the tune of $40 million, while Germany and Switzerland brought in about $11 million and $10 million, respectively. Also, most of the money that left was Bitcoin. Ethereum had been losing money for 11 weeks, but then it got $11 million in. After ProShare announced its short Bitcoin ETF, $15 million came into the short Bitcoin market. The pattern of outflows and inflows shows that investors in digital assets have very different feelings. Even though the market is still sending mixed signals, only a small number of well-known people in the crypto community are still bullish on cryptocurrencies, despite the recent drop. Most people don't realize that it takes years, and sometimes decades, for a new infrastructure-level technology like crypto to lead to a thriving ecosystem of mainstream applications. So do you think Bitcoin will thrive above $20,000 mark, or will it crash once again? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon with the next video. Thank you so much for watching.